Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Yes, today Nifty saw a low of 15,460. Yes, it is a 300 plus point range, and volatility and up and down movement was to the core for the day. Bank Nifty, in fact, even came below 1,000 points from yesterday's closing level, and then intraday you saw a huge spike or recovery from lower levels. Let me not go for maine bola tha, but let me tell you, those who follow me during market hours, because this program I give you one pre-market view for preparing your entire day's trade, and post market I will also give you update on what next. But then during market hours, the only place where I can share my live calls with you is in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, given in the description below. Let me show today to you what was the call I spoke and what was written to all people in my Twitter handle. So here we go to my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, and morning I just gave this call. No shorts now for intraday. I have covered all shorts and I am buying. But what am I buying? I've just underlined it, and later on I've just also told want to tell the name, but my HNI and mentorship students will feel bad since everything is given here free. But still, I'm telling you that I've covered all the shorts for free here. That itself is enough. I don't have to name what I'm buying, but my shorts I'm covering. This is for intraday. See the word used there clearly, because intraday trading is different, positional trading is different, and now this tweet given during live market hours will just remain as a simple history. Now people ask, how is this possible? That is the power of market profile and nothing to do with Rudra. I'm just a very small trader who sees that market profile chart and interpret what my chart tells. Yes, if you want to get the live market views, you have to be part of the Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, and that's where this update was given. But let me tell you, positionally, I am underlining the word positionally. I told 10,560. Okay, so it's not that 15,000, 15,560. That was the level which I told positionally on Nifty future you have to observe. I repeat, on the higher side I told buying will come only if we close positionally only above 15,830. So the intraday up move whatever you saw was an intraday call, but I am telling positionally only above 15,830 this sell on rise market will change, or else I remain saying that till we break 15,830 decisively, this market still has lower levels to see. And let me tell you very clearly, Bank Nifty will underperform still Nifty, and market will be very stock specific. If you see now, the performance will be seen from safe sectors like IT, pharma, and more downside will be seen in high beta sector and especially banking. So you have to understand sector and stock specific selection plays a very important role, and if you are on the wrong side here, then as a trader it is very tough for you to become profitable. Now levels given on Nifty 15,830 on a closing basis. Till we go above that, for me this market has still not finished the business on the lower side, and I will start giving you the buy call, the stock calls, everything once we have the right environment to buy. And on the downside, 15,560 below that we came intraday today, and also I told intraday there will be a recovery, but then closing basis we decisively closed above 15,560. But below this if you close, then I am telling a further lower downside will open up, and I'll keep you posted. Let us first reach 15,560 and below levels on a closing basis. Then I will update you what next. No meaning in saying Nifty will come to 14,000, it will go to 16,000, it will go to 17,000. Now, if you feel this is great analysis, I will tell you Nifty will go to 1 lakh. Why 16,000, 17,000, 20,000? I am telling it will go to 1 lakh. People ask, by when? I will say 1,000 years from now. What will you do 1,000 years from now, even if Nifty goes to 1 lakh? So giving this type of prediction without any timeline and making it meaningless is good for cheating beginners and becoming a scamster for beginners because they may not be aware. But then Rudralogy and Easy Money Show of yours is available to ensure beginners and people who are in market cannot be cheated because true wisdom and knowledge is shared here. So Adani group of stocks today were the leaders. In fact, Adani Port and Adani Enterprise was at a higher 10% close from yesterday's level. And yesterday evening in my show Easy Money, I clearly told it is based on my chart analysis and strength of market profile. It is nothing to do with Maine Bolata. And today, the top gainer and the two in futures is Adani Port and Adani Enterprises. And I told no shorting now at current level. You cannot. But other way around, if you see before the fall when Adani Port and Adani Enterprise was doing, I was just telling this is the time when you have to short it. Now, how can you tell this both on the downside and on the upside and with precision? You know, this is possible not because of Rudra, only because of the power of market profile. And friends, don't get cheated. It is also easy for many of them who told market will go up, go up, go up. Today morning, they were all quiet. Chup chap baita tha. They were all quiet morning when they saw the market tumbling and falling. No one told intraday you will see that recovery. But then, after all this recovery, these main Bolata people will come back and say, see how markets recovered. Again, once it starts falling next week, again they will become chup chop. But let me tell you, it is the timing which is important here as a trader. But as an investor, the time what you spent in market is very important. Make note this big learning for you coming today. As a trader, if timing is important, as an investor, sitting more time in the market is important, but are you in the right stocks? That is where the great Jesse Livermore told, buy right and sit tight. He never told, buy anything and sit tight. He said, buy right and then sit tight. This is something which each one of you have to follow. As an investor, spend more time in the market by sitting tight with the right position, whereas as a trader, you have to focus that timing is everything, because as an intraday trader, if you would have shorted, you would have lost everything, and as a positional trader, you have to understand the levels which I have given is different. So time frames matter a lot, and more learning. And if you want to be a profitable trader and you want to achieve your financial freedom at the earliest, this Sunday I have a special program, Stock Trading for Financial Freedom, live, happening online in Zoom between 11 o'clock to 1:30. And this Sunday live program, Stock Trading for Financial Freedom, you want to attend? Register right now in the link given in my Twitter handle, pinned tweet. I've given the link which is in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy. Go to description below and go to my Twitter handle, and on the pin tweet, register for the program Stock Trading for Financial Freedom, and do forward to as many people as possible and join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. All today's learning, just keep that in mind and implement, because knowing and doing are two different things. And make lot of notes, lot of learning for unlimited earning. See you all this Sunday on the special program Stock Trading for Financial Freedom live. And to your registered email ID, once you register, you get a Zoom link using which you can attend the program for free, online and live. So lot of learning today, and ensure you implement those things for you to become a profitable trader. Thank you so much for watching the program. See you all with special weekend videos. I will be doing profitable option series videos on the weekend special. Also, for my Kannada audience, I will also be giving one program, and if possible, more and more for you guys in easy money. Click the bell icon right now so that you get notifications when I upload these kinds of video, and do subscribe without fail right now to your channel Rudralogy. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.